Welcome to Obello how-to videos. In this video I am going to show you how easy it is to save reusable components in Obello's editor. It's a simple way to save your team time and avoid some design headaches along the way. So here we are in Obello's editor. I am going to start by selecting an element or a group of elements. In this case I'm going to select a text box and I'm going to select the shape behind it. I'm going to right click, then I'm going to select Save Component, which is the first option in the context menu. And there we have it. The component is now saved into the components library, which you can access through the left navigation. If you want to delete or to rename the component, you right click and choose your desired option. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to go ahead and delete the text and the shape. I'm going to go to components. I'm going to select the saved component. And there you go. Super easy. Just a quick note that components are saved at a workspace level, not at the user level. What this means is that everyone on your team will have access to the components saved in your components library. And there you have it. So saving and managing reusable components in Obello is that easy. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.